Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore portfolio monitoring with SigFig, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore portfolio monitoring with SigFig, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the SigFig website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the portfolio section on the dashboard. Click on Link New Account or Add Account if it's available. Select your financial institution from the list provided. If your institution isn't listed, use the search bar to find it. Once selected, enter your online banking credentials as prompted. Ensure that you securely enter your username and password. After entering your credentials, click on Connect or Continue. Wait for the system to synchronize your data. Once connected, verify that your accounts are displaying correctly. Check the portfolio performance metrics to ensure everything is up to date. Adjust any settings as needed to customize your monitoring preferences. Look for any options to set alerts or notifications for market changes. If you want, enter your investment goals to get tailored insights. Review the dashboard for an overall view of your portfolio performance. Make sure to save your settings before exiting the platform. Log out of your account for security once you have completed the setup. Your portfolio monitoring should now be fully restored with SigFig. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.